You better want me now. You got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now. 'Cause I'll be running out of here. If I'm running, then I'm running from the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speeding.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is me. I'm today celebrating my 27th birthday at Jollibee! So yeah, samahan niyo ako as I celebrate my birthday and see you in the party!
Si Ma'am Ann. Okay, sige po. Okay, bago po tayo mag-start, magkakaroon po muna tayo ng opening prayer na pinangungunahan po ni Ma'am Riza.
Lumako po tayo at manala.
Po ng 3-minute step. Para sa ating first step po, papalakpak po tayo ng 10 beses. Sabay-sabay po tayo papalakpak ng 10 beses. Ready, go! Okay, para sa ating second step naman po, papajump naman po tayo ng 10 beses. Pajump naman po tayo ng 10 beses. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At para sa ating last step, isisigaw lang po natin na malakas and full of energy ang Happy Birthday, Ann! Kayo nga po?
Happy birthday, Ann!
Yung malakas!
Happy birthday, Ann!
Yung pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Ann!
Okay, pero syempre bago po yan, may tuturo po akong magic word. Kapag tinanong ko po kayo kung jolly na kayo, ang isasagot nyo lang po, jolly na kami. Kayo nga po, jolly na po ba kayo?
Jolly na kami!
Yung may kamay, jolly na po ba kayo?
Jolly na kami!
Okay, dahil jolly na po kayo, magsasama-samahin na po natin ang ating 3-minute step. 10 palakpak, 10 pajak, at ang pinakamalakas at full of energy ang Happy Birthday, Ann! Okay, sabay-sabay po tayo. Ready? Get set! Go!
Happy birthday, Ann!
Yung pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Ann!
Happy Birthday, Ann! Okay, mami na po yung gustong sabihin niyo sa mga guests na dumating ngayon.
Ayan, first of all, thank you so much for attending my birthday party. Actually po, yung actual birthday ko is Monday pa. Pero since my work, so and availability natin is weekend. So yeah, ngayon ang aking celebrations yan. So I hope you'll all enjoy and have fun. Ayan.
Word, okay. Ang game mo na is tinatawag na coloring match. May ipapakita lang po ako sa inyong picture. May ipapakita po akong picture tapos gagayahin nyo lang po. Kung sino po yung unang makatapos po, tapos po isisigaw niyo po yung pangalan na
You say you want me, you better want me now. You got me all up in my head.
point para sa... Ayun, pinabot! Pinabot mo daw. Okay, tanggalan po natin. Tanggalan po natin. Get set! Wiggle! Yung mother, itin mo lang, okay? Dalawa pa, sir! Dalawa pa! Sana lang, isa na lang!
Tinita.
Itat! Ano, itat? Itat po, okay. Line po tayo dito, guys. Team itat. Line tayo dito. Una ka ba? Hindi. One lane po. Yan. Doon po kayo sa kabila po. Okay, dahil jolly na kayo. Ready? Get set! Okay. Ready? Get set! Go! Go! Ingat! kunin nyo na po yung mga favorite. Bigyan mo kayo!
You say you want me, you better want me now. You got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now. 'Cause I'll be running out of here. If I'm running, then I'm really full of truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of emotions. Maybe it's just something you did. Triggered and I can't even focus. Maybe it's just all in my head.
Ang bida ng saya! Please welcome Jollibee! Ay, Jollibee! Hanapin mo si Ma'am Ann na napakaganda.
Sino? Nasaan?
Iba yung pili.
Na nakakulay white, Jollibee! Na naka-white. Ayan lang, shade mo lang kay Jollibee.
Ay ka.
Ay, Jollibee. Ay, Jollibee! Sayawan mo si Ma'am Ann. Okay? Sayawan mo si Ma'am Ann. Pero syempre, para sa
Woo! May makikipag-showdown daw po. Sophia. Go Jollibee! Woo! Go Jollibee!
Sige na, sayaw na.
Lahat ng ibig, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Kanya ang pili, kapatid ang saya.
Delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, delicious ang saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala na iba.
Go Jollibee! Gusto na mapagod?
Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. Okay, ma'am. Okay, Jollibee, okay na yan? Sino ba? Magaling to. Formation daw, sabi ni Jollibee. Sige, Jollibee.
Wish ko lang long life, more birthdays to come, o good luck sa kanilang dalawa ni Nico. Alam niyo naman Nico eh, na-vlog ko naman si Nico eh. Happy birthday, my darling daughter, Aunt Clarice. Thank you.
Kayo naman po, sir.
Pag-health lang lagi at saka ingat. Yan lang. Kaya ba yung lagi? Lagi naman. Pero isa pang-araw-araw. Thank you.
Ano po naman po natin? Kayo, ma'am. Ano po yung birthday wish niyo po? Kayo po ba naman?
Happy birthday, Aunt. God bless. Enjoy mo lang yung buhay mo. And, good luck sa buhay mo ngayon. Happy birthday ulit. Shower you with love. Fill you with happiness. Because you deserve the best, bringing joy to everyone's life by your presence. I also wish that you will have the happiest birthday because I want you to start this special day with a smile and end it with a smile.
Kayo, ma'am. Ay, sige.
Hindi ko daw ako, sabi ni Daddy. Oh. Hindi, ayun, bali, syempre, yun nga, happy birthday, and alam mo naman, lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Hindi naman ako emotional eh, hindi ako emotional. So, yun nga, lagi naman ako nandito para sa'yo, at alam mo naman yan, ups and down, andito ako lagi, and yun naman lang pangako ko, every time na need mo ako, nandito lang ako lagi. And yun lang, happy birthday and I love you. Yung susunod na kiss na yun, surprise na lang yun.
Eh, kayo, ma'am. Ano po yung birthday wish niyo po? Sigarat, ma'am. Ano po yung mga sabi niyo sa mga friends na gumagana niyo?
Ayan, so thank you so much sa mga birthday wishes. And I appreciate yung presence nyo sa aking celebration. And ayun, wish ko lang na for myself, na sana maging mas mabait ako this year. Okay, yun na. Thank you so much po.
Okay. Okay, Jollibee, gano'n ba kadami yung wish natin para kay Ma'am Ann? Ilan? 1, 2, 3 wishes! Okay. Ano nga ba yung ating first wish? Yung ating first wish, si Ma'am Ann ay lalo maging strong and healthy! Yes! Okay, para sa ating second wish naman, si Ma'am Ann ay always God-fearing. At para sa ating last wish, Jollibee, si Ma'am Ann ay always be happy like Jollibee! Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. Okay, gawin natin, Jollibee.
Sign language yung una niya.
Ikaw, Jollibee! Okay, sabayin niyo po siya. Pag-blow na, Jollibee, sabayan mo si Ma'am Ann. In 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay!
Ready, 1, 2. One more.
home. Well, it's not really sa bahay, but I'm in the staff house kung saan nagsistay yung mga teachers. Kasi I'll still need to do some work after the party. Syempre, work. And yeah, I just want to thank all of the people who attended my birthday party, sa aking parents, and to my jowa and his family, to my co-teachers, to my friends, my best friends. Thank you so much po sa inyong pagpunta. And yeah, I had fun celebrating my birthday in Jollibee. So, sana nag-enjoy din po yung mga pumunta. So, all the details regarding this celebration will be the link below. So, check it out. And aside from masaya mag-party sa Jollibee, super affordable, guys. So, this is your sign. It's not too late for you to have your celebration. Book your celebration na sa Jollibee kasi aside from it's affordable, super fun. Kasi nandun si Jollibee. Yeah, it's my childhood dream. So, it's finally real. It's happening. It happened. So, yeah, thank you so much po. And, again, sa mga gifts, though I don't really require na magbigay ng gift, but I really appreciate the gifts, especially the presents po ng mga tao na punta sa birthday ko. And, yeah, this is how I end the vlog. Thank you so much and bye!